This area, this is the pump room. Check for the AC. This brand is crop. Neutral line, no power, no power. See, line to ground, happy. Line to ground, happy. No, no power. Well off. Okay. Nothing signal. Okay. We need to check where is the power. Come, my friend, come. Where is the power? This one burn. Okay, so far so good. Now it's cooling. Let's check outside. Pump room. This one always open. Okay, so far so good. Oh, there's a problem. So far so good. Okay, kinancel natin ang heater because they sitting sometime there. That's why it's getting hotter, the compressor. So that's it. So the fan signal from the indoor, I will transfer to 1 time supply for 220. So, Moya bay. Black. Okay. So good. Suya जल्दी उन्हें ana hani sabi tahad only like this sura. Okay, yes, now it's cooling. Okay, now it's cooling.